Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have wonderful personality with us, Mr. Ganesh Iyer, who has given a wonderful session for our students. So, Mr. Iyer, welcome to Patil Unitech School of Hospitality and Tourism. So, how was your experience interacting with the students?
I myself being a student, hospitality, I've been learning, working with hoteliers for so many years, almost for 3 decades. I think what I found it very interesting is kind of enthusiasm with kids both. I was a bit apprehensive that would kids be over enough to ask enough questions on water. But what was most surprising is that they were very curious, and that's what we spoke in our sessions, that the most critical component that the curiosity needs to be kept alive. In fact, I saw coming in very, very comfortably and naturally most of the kids for the session were attended.
Last question for you. What message would you like to give to the students who would like to make a career in water or as a water sommelier or on the level of international?
So, when you look at the global landscape in terms of water sommeliers, the tribe is constantly increasing. And given the explosion that you're seeing today in the hotel segment, the hospitality segment is on the purple patch in India, and I think it's going to be there for 10-20 years. Along with that, you will see a lot of innovations and growth opportunities happening in every segment. Water though being niche, I see a lot of potential for students who would like to explore water as a water sommelier as a career option, because they're no longer dealing with local brands, a lot of international brands coming in hotels as well as restaurants. I see India picking up pace just like their European counterparts, and very soon, in the next 2-5 years, you'll see a lot of hotels and restaurants having dedicated water sommeliers in hotels.